Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Brandon with Taylorsfiresmoke Cooking, and this is another edition of Smackin or Lackin. Today, we're going to be reviewing this product here. This is Kronos Authentic Gyro Slices. Picked them up at the local Sam's Club. It's supposed to be super simple to do. Is your basic gyro meat already sliced down. All we have to do is heat them up. Gives you three options: the oven, microwave, or we could do it on top of the stove. That's what we're going to do, is do them on top of the stove. So let me get into this, and we're going to see if these things are smacking or lagging. Y'all stick around. All right, y'all, let's get this stuff heated up. What I do like about it, that is, nothing to it. You just warm it up. Like I said, you could do it in the microwave, in the oven, on the stove. But I'd rather do it in the pan. That way I can get some little crispy bits on that meat and brown it up a little bit, as opposed to doing it in the microwave or in the oven. The meat is done, or completely done, but you just have to warm it up. So just gonna add a little bit of oil down in this pan, and then add in one of the 16-ounce bags of gyro meat. And as you can see, no seasoning necessary. The meat is pre-seasoned, so you don't have to worry about adding any of that as well. So you just go ahead and give it a good little mix. Get it, basically thawing it out, and then cooking it pretty much as you want to. Like I said, I like to brown it up a little bit if possible. So we're gonna go for a few minutes and make sure we get a few crispy bits on this meat. And that's when we'll know it's ready. All right, guys, it's about ready. You see how I got it browned up on some of the pieces? That's what I wanted, just to brown up some of the meat. Now, you didn't have to cook it as far as I did or whatever, but I just wanted to make sure that I had some crispness going on some of this meat. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it off, take it off the heat, and get plated up, y'all. Can't wait. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and whip up this wrap. Now remember, I'm not reviewing. You're not gonna judge me on making a gyro sandwich. I'm making a wrap, and I'm gonna make it how I like it. So we're just reviewing the meat. So let me just grab a taste of the meat. Well, no, we're gonna go ahead and make the wrap first, then we'll make the meat. So what I'm gonna do, lay down a little bit of lettuce first. And if you wanna know what kind of wrap this is lavash bread, made by Torres. He got that from Fresh Thyme. Stuff is really, really good. That's the garlic and herb kind, but you can use whatever kind you like. Then we're going to layer in a good amount of this meat. Get on in there. A little bit more. Couple tomatoes. And we got some red onion over here. All right. Now what we're doing is we're just gonna do the best we can to roll it up. On the bread. That's that, guys. Looks delicious, don't it? So let's go ahead and get this tasting and see what this meat is all about. Look at that wrap. You can see how it looks. It looks delicious. Now, don't judge me on how I made this, because I don't like the tzatziki sauce or anything like that, but I like the gyro meat. If I go get a gyro, I'm getting it just like this. Just the flat bread, the meat, lettuce, tomato, onion. That's it. Now for me, I'm going to use a little bit of green salsa just because I like it. I like the kick it gives. But we're judging the meat here, and y'all not judging me. But in spite, I do want to taste the meat first. That's good. It's nice and tender, seasoned really well. Notice when we were cooking it, I didn't put any seasoning on it, so just a little bit of oil, and I don't even really think I need to do that, but this meat is really good. So let's get a good bite of this wrap. A little bit of sauce. That's spot on, guys. This is definitely smacking. Excuse me for eating in your face. I don't mean to do that, y'all. Look. Really, really good. And then with that lavage bread, I love that as garlic and herb. That's fantastic. This is spot on, and this is definitely smacking. I recommend you guys try. Like I said, I got it from Sam's Club, and I believe it was under $9, $8 or $9. So that's a good thing. 1, 2. It'll feed my family, which we have 6 people in our family. My daughter's away, but even if she was home right now, we'd be able to feed all of us, no problem. So you get a good amount in that bag. You get 2 16-ounce bags. So it's really, really good, guys. And I definitely recommend it. Kronos Gyro meat or whatever it's called, you smacking, and I definitely recommend it. You guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, turn that notification bell on. That way you can be notified next time we have another video out. And I just appreciate you guys watching. Till the next time, God bless you.